Now we'll start the lesson on the question word chand means how many. Chand means how many. So in order to form a question using chand, you just need to put it before the noun that you want to specify. So let's look at some examples. چند سال داری. In English means how old are you, but if we want to translate it literally means how many years do you have, how many, but literally means how many year, because sal is not plural, here is singular, so it's how many year do you have, that means how old are you. And the answer is easy, just you need to replace chand with the information that is asked for. So instead of chand we write for example 20. 20 سال دارم. چند سال داری؟ then you say 20 سال دارم. 20 20. I am 20 years old. 20 year I have. Another example. It's very important to know that in Farsi, specifically in spoken Farsi, people use chand with the counting word ta a lot. Ta is a generic word that you can use for counting everything. So most of the time chand is accompanied with ta. Like this example. چند تا روزنامه خریدی. So chand is accompanied with ta. چند تا روزنامه خریدی. تا is optional because you can say چند روزنامه خریدی. They are totally the same, but you will hear this a lot, that people use ta with the question word chand a lot. چند تا روزنامه خریدی. And then in your answer you can say, for example, 5 تا روزنامه خریدم. Just the rest of the sentence. But 5 comes in the place of chand, and ta is again the 5 تا روزنامه خریدم in the answer. This is again here is optional. You can just say 5 روزنامه خریدم. But it's not wrong that saying 5 تا روزنامه خریدن. And people use this a lot. They say چند تا کتاب داری؟ 5 تا کتاب دارم. And ta is used to count everything in Farsi. You can count fruits, you can count for example books and everything. Another example with chand. چند تا کلاس داری. So you ask your friend, how many classes do you have? So again you can use ta. چند تا کلاس داری. چند تا کلاس داری is equal to چند کلاس داری. Ta is used but it's optional. You can use it or drop it. چند کلاس داری. And in answer you can say 2 تا کلاس دارم. تا again is optional in your answer. چند تا کلاس داری؟ 2 تا کلاس دارم. چند تا کلاس داری؟ 2 تا کلاس دارم. 3 تا کلاس دارم. Another point about using chand is the word after chand. Against English, never use any plural word after chand. The word after chand should be singular. So if you say چند سالها داری, how many years do you have, it's wrong. In Farsi is how many year do you have, how many newspaper did you buy, how many class do you have. چند تا کلاس ها is wrong. You cannot use a plural noun after چند, as you cannot use plural noun after a number. 20 سال دارم, you cannot say 20 سال ها دارم, it's wrong because it's the same as چند سال داری, 20 سال دارم. So it is important to remember that چند comes before the noun that is supposed to be specified by, and also you can use ta, it's optional but people use it, and so if you hear that you should know what it is. So it's a counting word and it's a generic counting word, you can use it for everything. چند تا روزنامه خریدی, and you can use ta in your answer, again there it's optional. And the last point is that after چند you cannot use any plural noun, always the noun is singular.